Welcome to the Little Woodhouse. We have an Ottoman that really needs to be recovered. The kids have loved it, well, more than we have. And so we're going to make a simple crocheted cover to go on top of it. So here's where it's been loved and cleaned, and unfortunately that's about as good as it's gonna get. So we're gonna make a simple covering to go over it. It's sturdy and well made, but the cover, not so much. And I found the perfect thing to cover it with. This little guy. It's a faux fur yarn from Lion Brand. This will be fun. So I'm going to make a very simple crochet pattern. I am not a crochet expert. See, I can't even say the word right. So if you do want something, I'll put some links in the description below of some things that I found to help beginners out. If you're interested in the faux fur Lion Brand yarn, I'll put a link in the description below. This is the S19 19mm crochet hook. What I'm going to do first is make my chain, and I'm going to do it in about that 18 by 20 size that I was looking for. This is called a single crochet pattern. I've completed my chain and the length that I was hoping to get. Now we're going to cross over to start our rows. I've left enough length so when I cross over it doesn't shorten my rows. Do a loop. Find where your holes are. That's going to be the hardest part with this faux fur. In, loop, and then go out 2. You can feel them, you can't see them. Loop, out 2 again. Now a single, and continue on. I'm going to feel for the next one, loop around, in my hole, loop, out 2, loop, out 2, single. And we're just going to keep going all the way down. You can see how it's spilling out. Just go all the way down. So it is all done. After about 7 rows, it's got the size that I wanted. It's gonna take about 3 to 4 of the bundles of yarn. And she's so soft. Once complete, I wanted to make sure it stayed in place. So I made ties to attach it to the bar. And that looks a lot better. And it's so soft.
What are you doing?
I'm testing it. It's so soft.